Hi, Tracy Hugelmeyer here with VintagepreneurUniversity.com, where I help vintage sellers start, grow, and scale their business on Etsy. I also own my own vintage business, Rustic Guide, that I've had on Etsy since 2013. And today I'm going to talk to you about why it's not a good idea to post your item listings in a bunch of random Facebook groups. So the problem with this is that not all views are created equal. I'm going to go ahead and jump behind my screen to show you something really quick. Here I am in the Ultimate Guide to Etsy Search, and if you have not checked this out yet, you absolutely should go do that right now before you do anything else. I'm going to link to it for you, and also I have a free challenge on working on your search engine optimization or your SEO, and I'm going to link that for you as well because it's a great way to learn about search engine optimization and how to optimize for both Etsy search and also the outside search engines like Google. So you can check that out at VintagepreneurUniversity.com/free challenge. And again, I'll link that for you in the notes below. But here we are, the Ultimate Guide to Etsy Search. And if you click right here in Chapter 1, how Etsy Search works, and then you scroll down to Listing Quality Score. Now keep in mind that this is just one teeny tiny piece of the puzzle of search engine optimization. However, it is a significant piece. And right here it says, when a buyer searches on Etsy, our goal is to help them find items they want to purchase. To do this, Etsy search looks at clues from shoppers to determine whether a listing is appealing and meets their expectations once they click. We look at how well a listing converts, how many people view it and then make a purchase to determine whether buyers are interested in it, which boosts that listing's quality score and placement in search result. So what that means is that if you have people clicking on your links a lot and then not buying, because that's what's going to happen if you're posting in some group where people are most likely not going to buy. They might just be interested in your listing, or you might be playing like a like for like game or whatever it is. Any of those things can end up hurting your conversion rate because Etsy is paying attention to that. They're paying attention to people who are shops and links, items that are getting a lot of clicks, but people are not purchasing. So it doesn't say it here, but Etsy has also said that for one-of-a-kind items like vintage, they're also looking at your overall conversion rate, not just for a particular listing. So even if you, are saying to yourself, well, there's not going to be a way to get a conversion rate on my listing because once it sells, they're still looking overall at your shop and what your conversion rate is on average. Outside search engines like Google also look at this and they care. They care if you are getting sales. They can tell that your shop is all connected and they can tell if you're getting too many views and not enough sales. So all these things can end up hurting you. Now, if you just send someone to your shop now and again, like if you have a question about it and they're going to your listing to look at it, it's probably not going to help you. But if you make it part of your strategy to post in these groups where, there's not really a lot of your target market there, it's mostly just other vintage sellers or other sellers, Etsy sellers, and you're all just trying to quote unquote help each other out by giving each other these views or these likes or, attention or love or however you want to say it, that's not the right kind of views. And those types of views can actually end up hurting you. So I hope that all makes sense. If you are ready to work on your search engine optimization in the right positive ways and get those good, correct, right views, definitely check out my free challenge on SEO, search engine optimization. And again, that's VintagepreneurUniversity.com/free challenge. I'll link that below for you. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. That really helps me, and subscribe to my channel and click the little bell as well so you get notified whenever a new video comes out. Thank you so much for joining me today and have a really great rest of your day. Bye.